Where are you going? Oh. Dude, you got that all over? That's messed up.
I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to.
I'm going over here.
Dude, what's your name?
See my name, people? D-A-S.
Hold on a second. Yes, I love it.
Don't throw anything yet. All right. Dude, that's fucked up. I got like water all over me. That's what the freak? This is Tim's mask. You're really sucking. Why are you trying to get water on me? No! Stop. Or your mask is going in the water. Oh, it could be a boat then. Yeah, I know. Stop throwing rocks at me. All right. Okay. Rock storm. Oh, it's stuck in a tree. Oh, it's still going. You better get it before it goes into the tunnel. No! It's in the tunnel! Oh, that helped it out. To get around the stick. It's sinking!
Good!
Oh, I got all the way over here and got in my hair, man. That's nasty. That's nasty.
No, it's not!
Watch Jesus walk on water. I'm Jesus.
I made it.
I see it.
Hi.
Oh, that was close.
We're gonna be on YouTube.
Who's that?
Yes, Devontae's recording me right now. You're on the phone.
Who's that?
Annie.
Hi, Courtney. She's been on YouTube on the phone.
Oh, she's going yeah.
Hit the can. Hit the can. You see the can in the water? And you can't hit the can, man.
Yes. Yes.
You hit the can, man. Let's go. We need to go. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. Oh, that was too close.
Okay. Bye.
That can and the boat have gone on to live their lives.